guys, I'm Baran with the Rainy Moon Kitchen.
Hi, Allah.
And welcome back. You know what I think is awesome? Juicy chicken. You know what I think is not awesome? Dry chicken. Today we have a recipe that's easy, inexpensive, fun to make, and you probably already have these ingredients in your house. This recipe always produces a juicy chicken every single time. What do you think?
Let's go.
Let's go get the ingredients. The beauty of this is that you can use whatever herbs and spices you have on hand. Thyme, rosemary, or sage would all work well. We are just using stuff we had lying around. A whole chicken, some garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 4 strips of cured bacon, a lemon, we've got some oregano from our herb garden, some parsley with the stems, and a few green onions. Again, get creative here. You could use fresh ginger, apples, oranges, or just simply salt and pepper. We are usually not crazy into urging you to buy organic, but with chicken, it matters. Get a free range or organic chicken. There is a difference and you can taste it. Speaking of the chicken, this recipe works for a chicken up to 4.5 pounds or 2 kilograms. If your chicken is larger than that, make sure you cook it to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. Also, when you are working with chicken, guys, always wash your hands well before and after touching raw chicken. My dad got salmonella once, and trust me, it didn't look fun. Make sure you rinse the chicken really well and dry it well. The drier the skin, the crispier it will get. Okay, go ahead and smear some olive oil on a baking sheet. Liberally salt and pepper your chicken and stuff your aromatics into the cavity of the chicken. Spread your slices of bacon across the center of your baking sheet. Put the rest of your aromatics on top of the bacon and then put the chicken breast side down on top of everything. Throw this into an oven preheated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, lower the temperature to 450 Fahrenheit, 230 Celsius, and roast for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, lower the temperature to 425 Fahrenheit, 220 Celsius, and roast an additional 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, flip the chicken over and turn on the broil setting on your oven. Let that skin on the breast crisp up and get some color. About 3 minutes. Remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest at least 10 minutes. Look how beautiful this is. Get a grown-up to carve the chicken for you. Seriously, guys, I wish you could smell this right now. My dad had to put a towel along the edge of the cutting board because the chicken was so juicy. Seriously, look at this. Okay, enough talking. I want to eat. This is just insanely good. Moist and juicy and just plain delicious. I could eat this entire chicken. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'm Baran with the Rainy Moon Kitchen, and this is our whole roasted chicken recipe. Ciao for now!